Hey guys, and welcome back to Best Reviews, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth product breakdowns. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best treadmills in 2026, carefully selected to help you find the perfect option for your home workouts, whether you're a beginner or a fitness enthusiast. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button if you enjoy this kind of content. It really helps us grow and bring you more high-quality reviews. And don't forget, you can check all the product links mentioned in this video right in the description box below for easy access and the best deals available. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Elite Smart Auto Incline Treadmill. Starting strong with the premium home runner from Sunny Health and Fitness, this treadmill brings a spacious 55 inches by 20 inches running deck, giving you plenty of room for both walking and intense running sessions. It features 15 automatic incline levels with quick controls, letting you ramp up intensity instantly. Powered by an advanced brushless motor, it runs smoothly and quietly from 0.6 to 12 miles per hour, making it ideal for home use. You also get 24 built-in workout programs with support for multiple user profiles, plus Bluetooth connectivity through the SunnyFit app, giving access to thousands of guided workouts and training challenges. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Slim Foldable Treadmill. Also from Sunny Health and Fitness, this slim foldable model is all about convenience and space-saving design. It arrives fully assembled and folds flat with hydraulic assistance, allowing easy storage under beds or upright against walls. Despite its compact size, it still offers a large 55 inches by 20 inches running surface, 15 levels of auto incline, and a 2.5 horsepower brushless motor supporting up to 300 pounds. With Wi-Fi and SunnyFit app integration, you can track real-time stats and join trainer-led workouts, making it a powerful yet compact home fitness solution. Number 3. NordicTrack T-Series Treadmill. From NordicTrack, this treadmill focuses on immersive smart training. It features a large 16-inch tilting touchscreen that connects to iFit, subscription required, giving access to interactive workouts, streaming content, and trainer-led sessions. You get speeds up to 12 miles per hour and incline levels up to 12%, perfect for endurance and calorie burning. The Select Flex cushioning system lets you adjust deck firmness for joint comfort, while the foldable design makes it suitable for smaller spaces. This is a great pick if you want guided, studio-style workouts at home. Number 2. Peloton Cross Training Tread. The premium all-in-one fitness experience comes from Peloton, combining treadmill training with full-body cross-training. Its standout feature is a 24-inch HD swivel touchscreen that opens up 15-plus workout types, including running, strength, yoga, Pilates, and bar. It offers both manual and auto-incline options, along with personalized training plans, performance tracking, and smart workout recommendations. Built for serious home athletes, this machine transforms your space into a full interactive fitness studio. Number 1. WalkingPad X Series Folding Treadmill. Taking the top spot is the ultra-compact WalkingPad X Series from WalkingPad, designed for modern homes where space matters most. It features a tri-fold vertical storage system, allowing it to fold down dramatically for easy storage. Despite its size, it still reaches speeds up to 8.5 miles per hour and includes foldable side handrails for added safety. Instead of complex screens, it uses a simple rotary dial for instant speed control. Quiet, stable, and efficient, it's perfect for walking, light jogging, and everyday fitness without taking over your room.